Life hacks are so great, especially when they're for when you're super lazy. So that's why us here at Ready Set Viral are going to give you some crazy life hacks that are great for being lazy. Let's head into it. Number 1, eating while you're gaming. If you want to eat any snack while you're gaming but don't want to use your hands, all you have to do is get a fan and place a clothing hanger on it. Zip tie it to the fan as well as using a spoon to zip tie it to the end. Then place the fan on the setting that moves back and forth and place your plate of food in line with the spoon. That way it'll come back and forth with your snack. Number 2, condiment tray with fast food French fries. Ever have trouble putting ketchup on your fries because you don't want to get it all over your hands? Well, all you have to do is bend over the top part of the French fry container and use your fingers to crimp the edges like so. Now, you can put ketchup or any other condiment on this little condiment tray. Number 3, eliminate doing dishes. Doing the dishes can be quite the task sometimes. That's why with this simple life hack, you'll be able to eliminate all of that. All you need to do is place some plastic wrap over the plate that you want to use. That way, when you're all done eating, you can just wrap up the plastic wrap and place it in the garbage instead of having to do all of the dishes. Number 4, staying hydrated while gaming. This is similar to our first hack. If you want to eliminate using your hands while you're gaming and you have your favorite can of soda, all you have to do is use a straw. Now, that's not it, because you don't want to be looking away from your screen. Take the tab of the can of soda and turn it around like so. Place your straw into this placement and you will be able to have your straw at any time. Number 5, sock hamper. We all know the trouble of having socks everywhere and also losing the pairs of them. But with this easy hamper hack, you will keep them in check. All you need to do is get a small pillowcase and first cut open a small opening on one of the sides. Then get a metal hanger and bend it like so it fits in the pillowcase zipper and through the hole. That way you can hook it on any place in your home and have an opening to put your socks when you're done wearing them. Number 6, tying off balloons. We all know how time-consuming and tedious tying balloons can be after they're blown up. With this simple hack, you'll have it done in no time. Simply get a clothing hanger and once you're done blowing up the balloon, wrap it around the end of the clothing hanger. That way, you'll have made an opening to pull through and tie it tight. Number 7, blanket folding. Folding a blanket by yourself can be difficult at times, but with this hack, it's super easy. First, lay the blanket out on the floor, and getting a small portion of the end of the blanket, fold it twice like so. Then, grab each side and fold it towards the middle, and then fold it in half. Once you have this long strip, fold this almost fully in half and use the top end that is sticking out to tuck into one of the folds. You'll have a perfectly folded blanket in no time. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!